Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how you can free up storage and can remove unwanted files from Windows and can save a huge number of space. So currently my Windows C drive is running very low in space, as you can see here. Now in this video I'll show you few methods that will free up huge space from your C drive. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the C drive and look for if you have the old version of Windows folder is available in C drive. As you can see here, this is the old version of Windows and it consumes a huge amount of space from your C drive. If you do not have any plan to go back to your old version of Windows, then definitely you can go ahead and delete it from here. I will show you what is the space that it consumes right now. Just right click on this folder and then click on properties. Yeah, now you can see that it's already taking a huge amount of space from your C drive. It's more than 21 GB. So you can straight away go and delete it. Now straight away you can select this folder and you can delete it from here. If you are trying this method, it will take some time to get the deletion complete because it will analyze the files that need to be transferred to the recycle bin. So there are some other ways to delete it. We'll try that method. For that, just go to the start. From there, go to the settings, and from here just go to the system, and from here to the storage. Now let's wait for the storage to complete the analyze. Now once that is completed, just click on temporary files. Now here you will see an option that you can remove the previous Windows installation, which is of 19.9 GB, and the Windows upgrade log file that is of 803 MB, and few other files, Windows update cleanup files, which altogether comes around 22.2 GB of space. Now from here just click on remove and click on continue. Now the first part of cleanup is completed. As you can see that the previous Windows installation file has been removed and it is now purging Windows cleanup. As you can see that rest of the files are there and it is on the process of removing those. So once this is completed, you can close down this window. Now after that you go to the C drive again, then open it and go to the Windows. Now from here just type in yes and then look for the folder SoftwareDistribution and just open it, and this folder stores all the details with relate to the softwares or applications you have installed in your Windows. You don't require that, so just select it and delete it straight away. Okay, once that is completed, you can close down this window. Now the next thing you have to do is to just go to the start. From here just type in run command and then open this run application. Now from here just type in percentage temp percentage, then click on OK. Now it will take you to the location from where all the temporary files are stored. You don't require that. Select all of them and then delete. Some files may not be get deleted because you are currently running with the temporary application of those files. So those files you can skip out. and then you can close down this window. Now once that is done, again go to run and then type in prefetch, prefetch, prefetch. Now select all the files inside it and then you can delete it. Then close it. Now again you have to go to the run command and next you have to type in percentage app data percentage, then click on enter. Now it will take you to the roaming folder and then go back to the app data. Now from here just click on local folder, and this local folder will list all the details with relate to the applications you have installed in your computer. Here it will list the folders with relate to all the applications you have used previously, as some might be old application data which you have already removed from your system, so that will be also present inside this folder. Find those folders and delete it. Now once you have found out that folder and deleted it, just go to temp and just clear these files. And once that is done, you can close down this window. Now next you have to go to the start. From there just type in disk cleanup and open the application and then click on OK to do a disk cleanup on your C drive, and then click on clean up system files. Now from here just move to more options, and here you can see an option that system restore and shadow copies. This actually contains all those restore points which we have already created previously with this computer. So that file will be huge and it will consume a huge amount of space, and if you don't want those all restore points to be remain here, then you can clean up that. Just click on clean up, then you can select delete. And from here just go back and complete the process clicking OK. Now I have completed the process. Let's go and check how much space I have saved. So I'm going to my PC. You can see here that earlier only 17 GB of space was available. Now it has changed to 61, almost 61 GB. So I have saved almost 50 GB of space here. So that's cool. So you can try and save space in your C drive. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.